Water nourishes all things, and the cycle of life, as a pioneer of green and healthy water. Fillterpur begins with responsibility and mission, committed to becoming a world-leading technology group with a complete water purification industry chain. Focusing on the entire process from mold manufacturing, filter material (RD), filter element production to complete machine assembly, a high-tech enterprise with full independent control and innovative services across all links. Our products are exported to Europe, the Americas, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and other regions. Based on over a decade of deep cultivation and accumulation in the water purification industry, Fillterpur's RD team perseveres with enterprising spirit, insists on independent product development, leading the development of the high-end water purification industry. So far, we have independently developed a range covering RO membranes, carbon fiber, filter elements, integrated water circuit boards, household water purifiers, commercial water purifiers, countertop units, and other diversified product series. Among them, filter elements and integrated water circuit boards are divided into zap-on type, direct plug-in type, inverted plug-in type, and one-click core removal type. Leveraging extensive exploration and practice in the water purification field, the company has obtained over 200 patents. It has also been honored as a national high-tech enterprise, provincial specialized and sophisticated enterprise, and so on. Possessing a 30,000 square meters modern production base, equipped with an independent injection molding workshop and a mold processing workshop, fully automated precision injection molding production lines, all machines equipped with robotic arms, reasonable process design, and high production efficiency, established a high standard constant temperature dust-free RO membrane molding workshop, a carbon fiber workshop, a filter element assembly workshop, and an integrated water circuit board assembly workshop, introduced advanced automation equipment and production inspection equipment, established a scientific and standardized quality management system, integrating quality control standards into every process, ensuring the production process is intelligent, lean, digitalized, and standardized, achieving precise control over the entire process, from raw materials to finished products. Currently, the company has an annual filter element production capacity of 10 million units, possessing a highly automated, complete machine production workshop equipped with multiple advanced assembly lines, adopting advanced technology and mature processes to achieve stable and efficient output. Annual complete machine production capacity exceeds 800,000 units, making it one of China's large-scale professional water purifier manufacturers. Introduce the MES system to control production information and data in real time, tracking every step of production. Using AGV handling robots for high automation and improved warehouse management efficiency. Owning a domestically leading comprehensive filter element evaluation center equipped with industry-advanced testing instruments and professional technical talents, strictly controlling products from component stability to comprehensive performance. We follow strict testing standards, from micron-level filtration accuracy to real-time monitoring of bacteria, viruses, and heavy metals, continuously improving water purification levels. Every data report truly reflects the water quality status. Currently, the company has passed authoritative certifications such as ISO 9001, CE, and ROSE. In the future, Fillterpur will continue to practice the business philosophy of quality, professionalism, integrity, innovation, providing users with better water purification solutions, striving to build the world's best technology group with a complete water purification industry chain.